what inspired me? I just met Maddie a few months prior, and Maddie being one of the Sing to Thrive teachers, and I had been working with her as a professional musician, and what she was doing and the way she sang and the way she worked with people in groups and her own way of presenting and her abilities as a singer really inspired me to want to be like that and to want to work on those skills myself. So that was sort of my personal journey towards, taking up the Sing to Thrive teacher training. And at the same time, I was also going through my own a few struggles myself, in particular finding my voice. I'd always sung, but I felt like there was something stuck, in my voice, and I didn't have the freedom that I wanted. When I was reading online about the teacher training and what it involved and the healing journey that I could expect myself, I was really inspired by that um, to to embark on the course. And at the same time, as a one-on-one teacher, I wanted to delve more deeply into the art of teaching a group and to be confident enough to work with a group, work with people and their own issues, their own struggles. But I had to come from an authentic place. So I wanted to develop myself first in order to become a more authentic teacher, and to have the confidence, to lead a group. So what did I actually gain from the teacher training? I would say that personally, I gained a vast understanding of some of the blocks that were stemming from past experiences for me. And also, one of the big things that I got from the training is from the repertoire, I was able to use the songs for my own healing, and on a daily basis, using the affirmations if I was going for a walk, if I was in the car, and knowing that I could self heal, calm myself down. So using the tools from the course is something that I actually I will continue to use on a daily basis. And I found that I'm able to use these affirmations in my one-on-one classes where I'm teaching professionally, especially younger people, young children, or adults, and also teaching them harmonies, teaching them these positive affirmations that help with everything from learning how to sing to just learning how to self-regulate. I'm hoping to share the things that I've learnt through my private teaching, but also through group classes and other professionals, other musicians, because there are a lot of musicians that are super, super talented instrumentalists, but they might not feel so confident as singers. I had a student that came to me yesterday and he plays bass in a band and he sings, but he just feels that he can't hit those notes. So I was able to use the things that I've learnt from, this course just to build his confidence, and it's all about confidence. And I will also probably be using some of the things that I've learnt in combination with my yoga teaching, because I do teach yoga, using it across modalities, including my group classes, private teaching, breath work. So it's really, really, these gifts can be shared in combination with so many other fields. Especially one of the things that I've found that is really, really useful is giving particularly children that are learning musical instruments more confidence and inspiration, and teaching them how to hold a tune using harmonies. So when I'm singing a different note, that they can sing with me. So it's really great for that, because you're not using complicated melodies. You're doing things that people can remember and people know that they can be confident with. So I suppose what really surprised me is the level of connection that I felt between myself and the other participants. So there were people from around the world, and even online, you could feel, and you could feel that you were on the same page, that you had the same fears, the same hopes, the sharing the gift of wanting to inspire other people through the voice and wanting everyone to share what we all felt, which was how magical it is just to sing, and how that you can just transform yourself within a few minutes of just singing from your heart. And that authenticity and raw emotions and lack of pretense on the course was really, really surprising, because there was nothing fake. And especially, I must say that, Julia, you really teach from the heart, and all of your offerings, everything is personal. It's not just something that is like being taught by rote. And it's not just about becoming a better singer or a better leader. It's about connecting with your own authentic voice and the inspiration that you can find within yourself. And the teaching is just coming from a place of, I've been there too. And through this work, I've been able to, get through stuff that was hard. And I've been able to overcome obstacles and my own fears and understand myself better, because of singing and because of the power of singing and sound. It's a whole journey. You've just got so much that you can learn from this course, because it's not just about learning songs. It's about connecting with sound throughout all aspects of your life and finding your own creativity and your own power. That's what I suppose surprised me the most.
All right.
The most transformational part for me was understanding that I could rewire my own brain through continually returning to sound, to song, to mantras, to affirmations. And that really was transformative for me, because I found that I was not only improving my voice through practicing singing repetitive mantras, but it was rewiring my brain, and my whole mood would lift. And that continues all the time. It's sort of like a flow on effect. That's transformational, and that's what's exciting, that you could share that with other people and get them to have the same feeling. That's a really exciting part of the journey, that everyone has their authentic voice that can soothe them and rewire their brain, and that singing every day is actually like nutrition. It's essential and it's transformative. You do not have to be on a stage to have a profound effect on yourself and others. And I think I take that now to where, when I do perform on stage, that I'm forgiving myself. I'm not feeling I have to be perfect. Perfection is not the goal, it's connection. I would say that if you are drawn to this in any small way, I would say just go for it, because you are going to learn so much more than just how to teach. You're going to learn about yourself as a person, and not maybe, but you will realize that you are a composer as well. Like, you are a composer of your life. You can change the course of your life through your singing, and your singing's going to improve like 100%. You're going to have tools to just have a stronger, more resonant voice. You're going to have the tools to feel more confident speaking and singing. and inspiring others to do the same. So it's just a ripple on effect. You can't lose doing it. You're going to feel good. Number one, you're going to feel good doing it, and you'll get stuff out of it as well. But feel good is the number one vibe from the training that I experienced.